Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you could join me today. I am very excited because I just got in some craft products and I have really wanted to see these Craft Consortium paper. The paper says it's 12 by 12 premium pad, 30 double-sided sheets, 20 designs, acid and lignin free. I'm very excited about this because when I saw this paper, I can see many scrapbook layouts with it as well as cards. So today I'm going to flip through this so you can see all the beautiful paper, and then I hope you come back to the channel and see how I make scrapbook layouts and cards with this paper pack. So today, let's just see how beautiful the paper is. I really love this paper. It's blue and green, and we've got dark blue here. And then you have blue on this side of the paper with the gold. So it looks like splatters of gold. So here's the two different, and you see, let's see, you get 1, 2, 3 of the same paper. And now you have a different paper that has the same kind of ink drops on it, but more of a sand. It's more of a sand color than gold. And this is beautiful on this side too. So you can see how this really goes with pool pictures and ocean pictures and beach pictures. I just thought it was beautiful. I'd never seen this paper pack before. I had never tried it, and I was like, I'm gonna try it. And so the cardstock is a very good weight to the cardstock. So I like that. This is really pretty. I like that effect. This would also be great, I think, and I will be using it for aquarium pictures when you go to visit the aquarium. So I love that. And I like that you get 3 sheets. Ooh, look at this vibrant blue. I love this. This is pretty, and it has some white and gray and a little bit of black in it. So this is pretty. This you could almost use as a solid color that may accent some other scrapbook paper that you have. Now on this side, it has the same kind of colors but more sand. Looks like sand floating through there. I think this is pretty too for cruises. You could use this paper. Now, isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. And when I saw this just now, I see this on a winter layout. It kind of looks almost like icicles or rain. It's beautiful. So I kind of see that on a winter layout. What kind of layout do you see this paper on? Oh, this is beautiful too. I like this. This has a lot of gold in it. The white too. Oh, this is beautiful. Now this is pulling in some teals and greens. It's got the splatters of gold throughout. This is very pretty. And on this side, oh, we've got that green. Now I just love this. This is pretty. And I'm even thinking that you could use this with some pictures on outdoor pictures in the park, or pictures of plants and stuff, and that wouldn't take away from the plants but add a pop of color to your page. So I really like this. I also like there's no tabs that I have to cut away to get started. This is gorgeous. You could even do this as the background. It has black running through it, and you could do this as the background to start your page, and then just use more muted colors to accent your photos and things. So I like that. Oh, and on this side it gives you the gold, the blue, almost looks marbly. So I like that. This is pretty. I really love this sand thing. You could actually cut this and use this at the bottom of your page, you know, for the sand ocean. It kind of looks that way. I like that. That's pretty. And on this side, oh, it has a different color blue. And some of these would mix and match too with the layout. So you really have a lot of options with this paper pack, and I like that. I am so glad I decided to try this out. This is a pretty blue, very pretty. These would also go with some great layouts of just the outdoors, and where it adds that splash of pop and color. It's going to be great with cards too, because it's a background. You don't have to create it, and you can add your embellishments to your card. This is really pretty. Now this kind of looks like a shot overhead. I like that. That's gorgeous. Oh, and this is pretty too. Yeah, this might even go well with some traveling photos. You really just have to think outside the box with these. But this is absolutely gorgeous paper pack. And I like that it has 3 of each. And it comes in the paper pack. It's called Ink Drops of Oceans. I'll link it below. Thank you for stopping by. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.